Gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Gang. Alright, gang. So we're going over this move. Price got all the way to take profit 7, February 11th, 2022, and it shows us this shooting star pattern on the 15-minute time frame. February 13th, 2022. Price opens, the market opens, and price, from after seeing this shooting star, just still after seeing this shooting star, price starts to what? Starts to make lower lows and lower highs and lower lows, making structure, making letting us know where we could be potentially in a downtrend after seeing this shooting star pattern. Buyers try to push price all the way up. Buyers try to push price all the way up to take profit 7. Past take profit 8, as this is take profit 7 area, to take profit 8, and sellers push price back down. You have to pay special attention to what candlestick patterns form at our psychological levels. Our take profit 7 level, you see a shooting star pattern, letting us know that buyers try to push price all the way up, and sellers came back down and push price back down. This is our shooting star pattern. This is one of our candlestick patterns that we will find at the top of an uptrend, letting us know that price is now heading back down. As you can see, we were in a little downtrend, starting February from February the 11th all the way down to about like February the 13th. All the way to like February the 13th, all the way down to about 18 about 1851, all the way down to about 1851. And we see a little downtrend, as we're in a downtrend from take profit 7 after seeing a shooting star pattern February 11th, see a shooting star pattern, and then we see yellow candlesticks starting to stop showing pressure. And we seen yellow candlesticks stop going up, and we start seeing black candlesticks starting to be formed. This lets us know after we've seen this shooting star pattern in our take profit 7 area, we see our trend line. It was nice. It was in a nice little downtrend. I was about to explain this. We draw a trend line, right? We see a shooting star pattern on a 15-minute time frame, and this is still February 11th. Price pushes all the way back down after seeing the shooting star pattern. This lets us know at our psychological level, shooting star patterns will appear. Bearish engulfing patterns, even star patterns will appear at our top of our take profit 7 areas, at the top, at the top of an uptrend. This is when we'll see one of our candlestick patterns, and we see price what? We see price getting smaller and smaller. We've seen yellow candlesticks before this going all the way up to take profit 7. As we scroll back a little bit, you can see price, price was we was in an uptrend. This uptrend started February 10th after seeing this higher low. Price made a higher high right here. We see a higher high, then price makes a higher low. At all the way to take profit 2, from take profit 5, from 1841 all the way to February 11th, 10th, all the way to the February 11th. We see price go from take profit 5, 1841, all the way down to 1820, 1819. Take profit 2 area. This is take profit 2 area, and then we see a break of this trend line. Once we see a break of this trend line, this lets us know that we're in an uptrend. Once we see price break this trend line, we're now in an uptrend. And I'll explain this as price is now at 1872 right now. Price is at 1872, but we're in a nice downtrend. I'm gonna break this whole move down. We're in a nice little downtrend. Pay special attention to what candlestick patterns form after a break of a trend line and near our psychological level. As we're near our psychological level, take profit 2. We see a hammer pattern at our take profit 2 area. We see this hammer pattern as sellers try to push price back down to take profit 1, and buyers came in and pushed price back up to take profit 3. Soon as we seen this break of this trend line, we could have got in for a great trade 1, right? For entries. As you can see, price was making all black candlesticks from take profit 5, February 10th, all the way down to February the 11th. This took one day, and then we stopped seeing black candlesticks being formed. We start seeing yellow candlesticks being formed, breaking this trend line. This lets us know we're in an uptrend. This is where we make the most money at the lowest point, at the bottom. This is where we make the most money at. So price does exactly that. It breaks this trend line. We get in for an entry because it's where we make the most money at for a buy. And price goes all the way up to take profit 7. Once price makes a higher low, you could have gotten for trade buy and rode this all the way up to take profit 7. Okay, so just following structure, knowing that price is going to make structure, it's going to make a higher high, then a higher low, and then it's going to make what? A higher high all the way to take profit 7. As we scroll back, a little bit, fix that a little bit. Price makes structure. It makes structure. It makes a higher high. Then price will make a higher low before what? Making a higher high all the way to take profit 7. Extremely important for your psychology. As we go over that a lot, price will make structure over and over and over again, do the same patterns over and over and over again. All right, so you're getting at the bottom when price is in an uptrend, you're getting at the bottom. When price is in a downtrend, you're getting at the top. You see a bearish engulfing pattern from take profit 5, February 10th. This black candlestick right here. We're scrolling this little quick. This is real fast to give you, what price that did. Showed us this bearish engulfing pattern after making this higher high and pushes price back down to take profit 2. Right? Well, and then we see a hammer pattern. At the top of an uptrend, we'll see some type of reversal pattern, some type of candlestick pattern, and there's no prices heading back down. We see a bearish engulfing pattern on a 15-minute time frame, and then price goes all the way down to take profit 2. At the bottom of a downtrend, we'll see some type of candlestick pattern, letting us know that price wants to go reverse back up to take profit 7. At the top and the bottom of our uptrends and downtrends, we'll see candlestick pattern letting us know price wants to go back up. We see a hammer pattern right here. Once price gets to take profit 2 area, you see a hammer pattern, and then price goes all the way up to take profit 7. And now we're at take profit 7 right now. Price was at take profit 7 February 11th. This happened in 1 or 2 days. After price, if you just waited, you could have got in for this buy at Great Trade 1 and trade buy and roll this all the way up to 1865. As you would have tried to get it for Great Trade 1 and trade buy 1 and try to swing trade this. This wasn't the day to swing trade this, February 10th. And price shoots past all the way back down to take profit 2 and stops you out and gets you out of this trade. You have to be patient and wait for this market to show you confirmation as price will make what? Higher highs and higher lows. Once price makes this higher low, breaks this trend line, price makes what? A higher high all the way to take profit 7. This was the swing trade. This was the trade you was trying to swing trade. As you know, price goes all the way up to 1872, goes higher than 1865. As price goes to 1865, February 11th, price is now at 1872, and we're going to break that down in a second. But this was the swing trade you was trying to trade. You couldn't have swing traded this one unless you had enough money from 1838 all the way down to 1820, and you have to have a lot of money, or you had a in your account as price would have stopped you out. Your broker would have took your account and took your money. If you had enough money, obviously, yeah, you could have holded that trade and rolled it back all the way up to take profit 7, 1865. But you get in at the bottom. Once price makes a higher low, we get in, and this is the trade that you were trying to swing trade all the way up to take profit 7. Just wanted to go over that. Extremely important so we can break this move down. So price is now at, price goes all the way to take profit 7, and then what? We see a downtrend. We see a downtrend from take profit 7 all the way down to 1851. Next level would have been take profit 6. Next level would have been take profit 6. That would have been our next level that price would have went to, was take profit 6. And we were expecting price to go to take profit 6. But we know that price can do anything in this market, and price can go to take profit 8. Take profit 8 is up here. This is take profit 8 right here. This is take profit 8. Take profit 8. Price could go to take profit 8. Price did get to take profit 8 actually. But we thought price was going to get to take profit 7, and we've seen price go from take profit 7 February 11th, February 13th, February 13th all the way down from take profit 7. It goes below take profit 7, and our next psychological level we trade take profit level to take profit level is take profit 6. And I'll show you why that didn't happen. As I predicted price could go to take profit 6. and I'll show you that in the next videos. All right, gang.